First exercise. One leg squat. Stand on one leg with your other leg extended straight out in front of you. Lower your body down into a squat position, keeping the extended leg off the ground. Push through your standing leg to return to the starting position. Perform the desired number of repetitions before switching to the other leg. Next exercise. Wall sit. Stand with your back against a wall, feet shoulder width apart. Slide down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Adjust your feet so your knees are directly above your ankles. Hold this position for the desired duration, keeping your core engaged. Slide back up the wall to return to the starting position. Next exercise. Narrow squat from deficit. Stand on a raised platform with your feet closer than shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips, keeping your weight on your heels. Squat down as low as you can while maintaining form. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Repeat. Rest. Next exercise. Squat. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Lower down until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor. Keep your chest up and back straight throughout the movement. Press through your heels to return to the starting position.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Next exercise. Bridge hip abduction. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Lift your hips up to create a straight line from your knees to shoulder. While keeping your hips raised, move your knees outward, then back in. Maintain the bridge position throughout the movement. Repeat the abduction for the desired number of repetitions before lowering your hips to the floor.
Wastelands through the highways, and on
Next exercise. One leg squat. Stand on one leg with your other leg extended straight out in front of you. Lower your body down into a squat position, keeping the extended leg off the ground. Go as low as you can while keeping your balance, and without letting your extended leg touch the floor. Push through the heel of your standing foot to return to the starting position. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions before switching legs.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Rest. Next exercise. Sumo Squat. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing outward. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, keeping your back straight and chest up. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Repeat.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
Last exercise. Side lunge. Stand with your feet together and your hands on your hips or clasped in front of you. Take a large step to the side with one foot, bending the knee of the leading leg while keeping the other leg straight. Push your hips back as you lunge, keeping your chest up. Push off the leading leg to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side and continue alternating sides for the desired number of repetitions.